Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, I'm going to speak about a husband and wife planning a will together. Sort of a broad topic, but I'm going to narrow it down to whether or not there's a conflict of interest in representing a couple. Before I get to that, if you'd like to make an appointment and discuss your situation with me, please go to frankbrunolaw.com. So what made me think about this is that I was contacted by an individual that is married, and he and his wife are legally married but physically separated. They haven't been living together for, I use a year for the purposes of this. However, they're quite amicable, and they would like to plan together. So if they have individual property, something from before the marriage or something addressed in a postnuptial agreement or an inheritance that they had, something purely separate, either spouse can dispose of that in the way that they want. Any potential conflict would come about if they couldn't agree on how to distribute the jointly held property. And property meaning real property or money property. So the thing is, this couple, when the gentleman called me, he called me first and asked if he needed to plan separately, or if he could plan separately, or if he needed to plan together. You can actually plan separately. It's better to plan together. It's better to plan together so that you know what's going to happen for the second to pass away of the couple, right? If that makes sense. So if I should pass away, I'd like everything to go to my wife. But if my wife predeceases me, I want it to go in this way. Maybe I'd like it to go to charity. Now, if in fact my wife doesn't predecease me and everything goes to her, well, she may not want to give anything to charity. And that might be a plan that I have. So that's why it's best to plan together and figure out what could be done and have a discussion about that. So if you would like to speak to me about this situation, please reach out to me. Frank Bruno Law.